How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to First Timers channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a monitor table stand. Now this is going to be something that I'm going to use on my particular desk just because I have one of my monitors that aren't on any arms. Now, as I go through a lot of the parts here, I'm not going to go over every little thing here just because there's a lot of little parts, but I'll kind of go over what I'm going to be using towards the end of this, and at the end of the video I'll kind of show you my setup and how I'm using this particular monitor stand. Now, on this particular setup here, you're going to notice everything is labeled nicely and individually wrapped, so that's actually very cool. I'm going to be using the grommet mount on my particular computer desk just because I don't really have a lip that I can actually use the other clamp style mount to the desk. Now the pole here, it comes in two sections. It's going to be a total of 32 inches tall. Now I'm going to be able to mount two monitors on here. I'm going to mount one 24-inch high, and I'm going to mount a 32-inch monitor low. So right now I have a total of three 32-inch monitors that are going to be going pretty much super wide, so 96 inches total. But overall, I just needed to add an additional monitor for game streaming. So now you're going to kind of notice that there's a little set screw towards the center of this, and that's going to actually lock it in so it doesn't start to spin off on its own. Now you're going to have two mounts for your monitors. Right now it's once they both are going to technically slide down on the pole itself, Allen tight, so it's very simple and easy to tighten down, and then you have like a little thumb screw that you'll be able to tighten the monitors down so the monitors don't slide up if you bang them. Now on the bottom, when you're mounting your Allen screws, make sure that you're using the black screws on the bottom here and not the silver. The silver have like a little domed pitch on them, so you don't want them to scratch your desk if you're going to be using those. Like I said, use the black ones and you should be good. But again, like I said, 32 inches tall. It'll mount two monitors, and it's supposed to mount 17.6 per monitor, so that should be just over 30 pounds of weight. I don't know if I'd go much heavier, but yeah, like I said, it's an amazing setup so far. Let me show you the images of my before and after. So this is my current setup. You can kind of notice that my two monitors on the outside are on physical arms. Now my center monitor is not. It's kind of sitting on this actual stand here. So the idea is my new arm will be able to actually house two monitors, so one up high and one down low. So I can actually run four. Right now I feel like they're a little high, so I'm going to lower my monitors probably to about 5 inches off of the desk. So they'll kind of look like they're floating, so that's kind of been my idea. I'm going to clean up some wiring that I have just kind of everywhere. But once we get to that point, I think the desk is gonna look clean. I'm gonna be really excited. So let me get that installed. At the flick of my finger, it'll be done. All right, so it is done. It's that quick, that easy. I know it wasn't just a snap of the fingers, but it took about 35 to 40 minutes for me to do the whole setup. Obviously going through wire tying stuff and getting it all squared away. But so far, this particular monitor stand, dual monitor stand that bolts down to this desk is amazing. It's very solid, very sturdy. I was trying to solve a couple problems. First problem, since we do live in Southern California, one thing that we have to deal with here are earthquakes, and so my idea is this desk is so big that I shouldn't really have to worry about my desk coming and flying over and falling off to the side. But I was worried about my monitor just kind of sitting up there. I don't know if you guys really saw, I had my monitor sitting on another monitor stand, and I was worried about it falling over and breaking. So I figured, well, why not have it on the monitor, on a stand? And so, boom, that was one fix that I figured that will save it from just some random tip over or fall over. Now my second issue I was having, and this is more towards the game streaming side of our channel, was I would be missing people in the chats, and that was kind of a difficult thing for me. And I was just like, man, I look over, but again, my gaming is usually dead center on my center screen. Camera is dead center, so I'm usually looking into the camera, and then I would just miss people saying, hey, what's up, how's it going, blah blah blah. And that was something that was a little difficult for me. So at least I had I have Hero sometimes when he's not gaming, he'll be keeping up with the chats and letting me know, hey, somebody wants to jump in the game or blah blah blah. So it makes it a little easier. But when he's in the game and we're both gaming, and if I miss something or he misses something, I don't want people to think that we're not paying attention to him. But we try to keep up. So the idea is chats could be right up top. I'm looking at my camera. I'm sitting there and I say I want a game. I can sit there and continue gaming while I'm looking at the camera and say something. I can look right at my chats and be able to talk. That was kind of the biggest issue that I wanted to solve, because trying to go over and look at the right and look away from the camera and read comments was a little bit of a pain. So I figured, why not keep it straight, look right up top, got the camera there. And again, at some point we'll probably upgrade the camera, so we'll probably be doing another video about why we chose another camera. Like I said, we're getting there. This is obviously something we've done out of our own pocket. So my setup is with my money. Hero set us with his money. So we're really trying to help ourselves grow, and anything that we can do to help ourselves make things faster, or to be a little more entertaining or keep up with everybody is what we're trying to do and what we're trying to accomplish. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows, hey, we're not missing you guys in the chats, or we're not purposely just not answering a question. There's just times we'll just be gaming, and obviously gaming gets intense and you're just like, nope, I got this, I can do it. And you miss 2 or 3 conversations that somebody was having while you were in the middle of a game. And again, if I when I'm looking at the camera and making my comments, and now this is gonna help that I could sit there and look at it, boom, right up top. But again, love the setup so far. It's amazing. Hopefully you guys like what you guys got to see today. That monitor stand, dual monitor stand, is definitely awesome. Again, it's in the description below. If you guys want to go take a look at it, order off of Amazon. If you guys want to, definitely hit that like button. If you liked what you saw, hit that like. It helps with our engagement, helps our videos, and helps people come to our channel. As well as, if you guys love the video, hit that subscribe button. Just definitely come in and join in. We have a little bit for everybody. And like I said, subscribe. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Come back, go check out our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We usually kind of give you a hint of what's going on, or what videos will be coming out in the next couple weeks there, just because obviously as we're working on things, we're recording it and we'll throw it on there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Peace. Later. Woo.